Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox if the Add Trusted Friend or Add Trusted Connection is not available. Now, if you're in the Roblox app or Roblox.com, but you're not getting that option to be able to get the feature for Trusted Friends, I'll show you several different ways that you can definitely get that fixed. Let's open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or go to Roblox.com on a computer. Tap More at the bottom right. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Settings, the gear icon. Tap on Account Info at the top. Scroll down and check your age group. You can see in my case, it's 21 plus. If your age group says that it's under 13 or maybe 13 to 17, there are certain restrictions on adding trusted friends. I'll walk you through those steps if you are under 13 or if there are any issues with your age. If you haven't verified your age yet, you need to tap to verify your age on Roblox for this to be a feature. Next, tap the X arrow, X at the top left here. Tap Back. Tap Home at the bottom left. Tap Friends right under your profile. And if I scroll down, let me check a couple different friends. You can see if I tap on this person and tap the three dots at the bottom right, I can tap Add Trusted Friend. And it says only add people you know as trusted friends. Manage this anytime in their profile. And I can tap Add. Now keep in mind, this does require the other person to approve you as a trusted friend. However, if they don't approve you, they won't show up as a trusted friend. The second requirement is that the other person, of course, needs to have the age and have to have verified their age for them, of course, to have that trusted friend as an option. If I tap out of here and tap on this person's profile, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, you can see it doesn't say Add Trusted Friend, essentially because they don't have that feature enabled on their account. That is one potential issue. The second way to get it fixed, if you're having issues, is to tap Back, tap More at the bottom right, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Help and Safety, tap on Violation and Appeals. You can check on here to see if you have an account violation. If you do have an account violation, this will prevent you from getting the full features on Roblox, including the potential to add a trusted connection or friend. Next, let's tap Back, tap on Help at the top. Tap on Search or Articles and search for Trusted and tap on Search. From here, tap on How do I add trusted connections? Scroll down, and on here, it will require you, of course, to verify your age. But if you are under 13, you must get parental approval for each trusted friend. And essentially, you need to age check, and it is required that you're in specific regions for this to be a feature that is available. If you're not in those regions, it won't be available. You can also tap on Need More Help Contact Support here. From here, enter in your username, first name, email address, and device type. Then tap on Help category and tap on Age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Tap on Help Support subcategory and tap on Adjust Child Privacy and Security Settings, and then describe your issue. In this case, essentially say, I'm not accessing or don't have access to the Trusted Connections options. Can you help me get it, even though I'm above 13 or I've verified my age, etc. And they'll get back to you within a couple days to get that fixed. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.